So that's it. Just another great video on constitutional silver. Thank you everybody for watching.
Hey,
and
TB.
Hey, what's up?
Are you going to be going to the coin show today?
I was planning on it.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Yeah.
So were you going to take that Port Accord for a ride in the Ford?
I'm planning to. The Port Accord has been wanting to get out of the house and go have some fun at the coin show, so I'm planning on taking it.
Yeah, explore the area.
So let's see what the Port Accord thinks about that. Hey there, my chunky little friend. How are you doing today? Let's go to a coin show. What do you think? Hey, what's this?
What happened?
What's this, Mrs. TV?
Where's the Port Accord?
What's that in there? Let me see. There's a letter or something.
What? What does it say?
Oh my gosh.
What?
The Port Accord. Oh my gosh, they got him. He's got the blindfold on. What the heck?
Oh man.
We have the Port Accord. Leave $50 in constitutional silver next to your sticker stack by midnight tonight. Otherwise, you can say goodbye to your shiny little friend.
No way. What are you
the
gonna
heck?
do?
Mrs.
How did you
TV,
get in here?
this is creepy because not only did they take the Port Accord, but they know about my sticker stack.
What?
Oh my gosh, somebody's watching us, Mrs. TV. Oh man, so I got to give up $50 of constitutional silver? Well, the Port Accord's worth it because the Port Accord is awesome. And look at the poor little guy. Oh my gosh.
Sad face.
He needs help. Alright, well that's what we're going to have to do. I think $50 is cheap compared to our chunky little friend here and getting them back. So,
absolutely.
Well, I guess we won't be going to the coin show today, Mrs. TV. I hope you're not too disappointed.
Oh man, this is so much more important.
Man,
Let's get the chunky little guy back.
Who the heck would do this to such an awesome little guy? Alright, well, looks like we're going to have to give up some constitutional, but we're going to do it. So, we'll see if we can set up a hidden camera or something to see if we can catch this little scoundrel.
Alright, that's a good idea.
We'll get back to you.
Alright. Oh, I wish we could end on a happier note there, Mr. TV.
Me too. What the heck? Okay, so here we are at the sticker stack. I've got the $50 in constitutional silver ready to go. And if you remember, on the ransom note, it didn't say what kind of denominations they wanted. They just wanted $50. So I got out $20 in halves, $20 in quarters, and $10 in dimes. And I'm even doing more, just to make sure we get our chunky little friend back. I got a roll of the Kennedys. And we've got a roll of Walking Liberties. Now come on, who wouldn't want those, right? And then we also have 2 rolls of Washington quarters. And then I also gave a roll of Roosevelt dimes and a roll of some Mercury dimes. Now come on, who wouldn't want this assortment of constitutional silver? I'm just making sure that we get our friend back because we want the Port Accord back. So here we go. I'm going to set it up. I've got the light dim here, a little bit different lighting because I want to keep the lights down. Don't want to scare off our kidnappers. And there we go, $50, exactly what they demanded. So right now it's pretty early in the evening. I wanted to get it set up. And I'm going to just sit here and I'm going to wait. And I'm going to wait for that person to do the swap. And I'm going to find out who it is. I'm going to keep my camera running. And I'm going to see who comes in here and exchanges the Port Accord for the constitutional silver. So let's go ahead, sit back, be quiet, and let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, he's back. The Port Accord. Oh my gosh, where did the constitutional silver go? Oh man, I fell asleep. I didn't notice who brought it back. Oh, but our chunky little friend's back. Hey, Port Accord. We missed you. How you been, buddy? Oh, man. Sorry for letting that happen to you, but you're back. Oh, we had so much fun with you. Did everything we could to get you back, and so glad you don't have that blindfold on anymore. Awesome. Well, thank you, everyone. Thank you for nominating Talking Bullion for this awesome award. We've had a great time with the Port-A-Cord. Me and Mrs. Talking Bullion have really enjoyed hanging out with our chunky little friend and having fun with them. And we did some really cool things. And we just want to tell you how much we appreciate it and what it means to us to receive this honored award. And as technology would have it, I did sign the awesome document for the Port-A-Cord, but my camera froze up and I didn't get the recording. But I did sign Talking Bullion right here, and I'm very honored to be following the Stacking Nerd, Silver Wolverine, Southside Stacker, Silver Mac, and now me Talking Bullion. And of course we have Silver Baggins, Yankee Stacking, and Clever Coin, who started the Port-A-Cord and such an awesome award. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for sending it to me. I really, really appreciate it. I've had a great time with it. And now it's time for me to announce the next person, the next recipient of the Port-A-Cord. But before I say anything, let me just play something. So I bet you'll be able to tell just by the starting of a video. So who's receiving the Port-A-Cord next? Well, here you go. That's right, everyone. Coinman 5000 is the next recipient of the Port-A-Cord. I'm sure most of you guys know Coinman 5000. He's got a great channel, does everything from coin roll hunting to great giveaways, does some live streams. He does poured videos where he does them live. And let me show you something. I just happen to have right here the very first Coinman 5000 poured silver bar. And I was able to pick this up from Coinman 5000, and it's one of my most cherished YouTube community bars. It's 0010 serial number, 1.6 ounces, 999 fine silver. What a great bar. This is awesome. So yep, Coinman 5000, you are the next recipient of the Port-A-Cord. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for making me part of this awesome community and for sending this Port-A-Cord to me. And Coinman 5000, get ready because it's coming your way. Thank you, everyone, for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.